Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clarifying what you want from each question and why it matters to the session. Pick assessment versus discussion and state the learning target. Decide how many items you need and the average time per slide. Draft 1-2 sample questions, now to test tone and difficulty. Once done, label them by topic and difficulty. This immediate drafting gets you into production instead of planning forever. Make sure to save a working file version before moving to design. Now you build slide templates and pick question types that match goals. Start with a consistent layout: header, question, options, and optional image. For each question, decide if you want a quick poll, a multi-part problem, or a reflective prompt. Use timers to pace learners and hints for scaffolded difficulty. Once done, duplicate the template and populate all questions, keeping language concise. Make sure to vary cognitive demand so you assess recall, application, and analysis across the deck. You finish by rehearsing and polishing every slide. Run the deck in presentation mode and simulate learner pacing. Adjust timing and wording for clarity. Check visuals for readability and add alt text for images. Export backup copies and prepare concise presenter notes with correct answers and teaching cues. If something breaks, test on another device and reduce animation complexity. Troubleshooting tip: if timings or media fail, disable animations and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.